Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can create your first React app and run it in VS Code. First, you need to make your project folder, right? So don't do anything. We will let npx do everything. So first, go to your folder where you want to create your project folder. Remember, this is not inside your project folder. This is the directory where you want to have your project. Open the command prompt there, or if you are on Mac or Linux, open terminal and browse to that directory. Now, you need to have Node already installed. If you don't have Node installed, you won't be able to create React apps. So to check if you have Node installed or not, just enter this command node-v and you'll see a Node version. Alongside Node, when you install Node, npm and npx are also installed automatically. So you can check that too by using this command npx-v or npm-v for npm. If you don't have these three installed, check the link in the description below. It will show you how you can install Node. Once you've made sure that everything is installed, just enter this command npx and then create React app and then enter your app name. Let's say my awesome app. Hit enter and this project will be created. Here, as you can see, the project is already created and it is installing a few more things. After a few minutes, the project creation is complete. Now go inside the project folder by entering this command cd and then your project name, hit enter, and you are inside the project directory. Now to open this in VS Code, enter code and then dot or period, hit enter, and VS Code will open with this project. Now to run this project, go to terminal, click on new terminal, and enter this command npm start. Now this will start your Node server and run your React app. After npm start is complete, you will see this local or on your network. Just press Ctrl and click on the link and the default React page will now open. Now you can edit the files and learn React by just clicking Learn React here and create whatever you want using React. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.